channel, guys. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my honey Cajun salmon. So for today's recipe I have 5 pieces of salmon here. I have washed and cleaned. I also patted it dry. Now at the bottom of the pan I did put some extra virgin olive oil so that it doesn't stick. Here I have my Cajun seasoning, brown sugar, salt and pepper, and my olive oil. Let's get right into the recipe. So I'm gonna start with the olive oil, followed by the salt and pepper mix, my Cajun seasoning, and the brown sugar. Now we're going to rub it all together. Guys, so my salmon is all seasoned and it goes into the oven. My oven is at 375 degrees. See you guys in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so this is my brown sugar Cajun salmon. It is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I did add these lemon slices towards the end of cooking, like the last 2 to 3 minutes, because my family loves lemon on their fish, so that's why I added it. Now it is optional. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I do look forward to you guys tuned in to my next video. Thank you. Bye.